Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, you will see how to change text font in Photopea. To start with, I will go for the new project. Then that will give you this interface. I will go for any of the templates. I will go for the thumbnail and then go for create. So right here, what you have to do is to make sure that you click on this T. Okay, that is the type tool. Click on that T and then click on the background. Then once this comes out, you will start typing. Okay, let's go type text. Okay, one thing again you should make sure you do here is by activating the move tool. Okay, this is the move tool. Click on that. What it does is that it helps you move an item from one place to another. Okay, I can take this and move that to another place. Okay, so after that, double click on your object. Okay, I will double click and that will help me see this interface. Okay, from here, just click on the drop down menu. You will see a lot of fonts. Okay, just go make a choice. You have a lot, make a choice. Let's go for this preview. Here we go. Have a look and see what we have here again. When you click on this drop down, sometimes some fonts will have a lot of other types. You can use the light one, the regular, the medium, the bold. So some fonts will not even have more than one, but this particular font has a lot. So we can use the thin one and see. Let's see what we have. Look at what we have. We can use the bold one. And after that, I will go for confirm. So we just changed the font. As you can see, there is another way, another interface that you can go through in order to do the same thing. Come here, you will see layers. Okay, and under layers we have text, our object, and the background. Okay, so in order to do or follow this path right now, you have to make sure that the object you're going to be working with is selected. So as you can see, this is highlighted, meaning that that is what we're going to be working with. After selecting it, you will have to go for this T here. So just click on that T. That will give you an interface. From here, you can still do the same thing we just did. To change the font, you will have to click on the drop down here and then go for any of the fonts. I will go for the Glory. Okay, and here is what we have. So right here, there is another thing you can do here. You can bolden the font by going for this P. When you click on that, have a look and see what will happen to that object. Bolden, you can play around with them, but make sure that if you don't want to go for this, just click on it. If you don't want to go for this one as well, just click on it. And to come out of this interface, just click back on the T, the capital T, and that will close this interface you're seeing right here. So this is a simple way to change your font in Photopea. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want, and see you in my next video. Thanks and God bless you.